Hello student, standard 7th English medium, subject maths, exercise 2.2, question number 1. Students, here we have to identify which figure of this the fractions. So here given total 4 situation and adjoining A, B, C, D. So we have to identify which figure of the fraction. So first is 2 multi 1 upon 5. Students, here 1 upon 5 it's a fraction and it's a 2 times 1 upon 5. It means total 5 parts and it's a 1 part, it's a shaded. So here we have to find which figure has total 5 parts. Say here 2 parts, here 4 parts, but in D total how many parts is there in one figure? 5 parts, and 1 part is shaded. Okay, got it students? See, here 1 part, here 1 part. So 2 figure total and total 5 parts, and its 1 part is a shaded. That means its answer is D. Okay, got it students? Now second number 2 multi 1 upon 2. So now identify you students. 2 multi 1 upon 2, it means total 2 parts and its 1 part is shaded. So it's a second, that means B figure. And it's how many figures is there? 2. So into 2, total 2 parts and 1 part it's a shaded. So it is said to be 1 upon 2. But it's how many figure is there? 2 figures. So here we write 2 into 1 upon 2. Now third number 3 into 2 upon 3. Now here given that 3 denominator, it means total 3 parts and its 2 parts are shaded. So see, who has 3 figures? A and C. But in C there are how many parts is there? 4 parts. So the answer is A, because it has 3 parts. Okay students, 3 equal part, 1, 2 and 3. And how many figure is there? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 into 2 upon 3 parts. And the last, fourth number 3 into 1 upon 4. So it's a C, because total 4 parts is there and 1 part is shaded. And how many figures is there? 3 figures. So it's said to be 3 multi 1 upon 4. Okay students? Now same like that, question number 2. See, some pictures A to C are given below and tell which of them shows. So first figure is 3 multi 1 upon 5. Now guess students, which figure is there? Total 5 parts. Which figure has total 5 parts? Here 3 parts. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts. So it's not, but it's a C, because there are how many parts is there? 5 parts. And numerator given 1. It means total 5 and its one part is shaded. So it is said to be 1 upon 5. And how many figure is there? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 into 1 upon 5 and the answer is 3 upon 5. So the answer it is given that equals to 1, 2, 3 parts, total 5 parts. Now same like that in second number 2 into 1 upon 3. Now it's A because there are how many parts is there? 1, 2 and 3 and one part is shaded. So it is said to be, and how many figures is there? 2 figure is there. So 2 into 1 upon 3. So the answer is 2 upon 3. That means here 2 parts are shaded becomes and total 3 parts. Now next third number 3 into 3 upon 4. So it's a B because 3 into 3 upon 4 total 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts. And how many figures is there? 3 figures. Okay, got it students?